Hello students, let us study about chapter sound, class 8, ultrasound. The sound having too high frequency greater than 20,000 Hz, which cannot be heard by human beings, is called ultrasound. And their uses, it is used in detection of any uses of ultrasound, used in detection of any blockade in pipelines, used to study the growth of the fetus, used in treatment of muscular pain and disease of arthritis. This ultrasound is used to measure the depth of the sea. And let us study about noise. Sound that appears unpleasant to us is called noise. In classroom, if all the students speaks together, this is also it produces more sound. And let us study about the music. Sound that appears pleasant to our ear is called musical sound. It is the one which is pleasing to the ear. Sound to produce by harmonium is a musical instrument, and a string instrument, wind instrument, membrane instrument, plate type of musical instrument, string type of instrument. It is a string type of instrument. Make use of string or wire, produce the vibration of sound. The frequency of sound is varied by varying the length of the vibrating wire. Wind instrument is used in the principle of vibrating air column to produce the sound. Flute, shehanaya, clarinet are also the same well-known wind instruments. Membrane musical instrument. Membrane musical instrument produces sound by vibrating a thin stretches membrane. For example, tabla, dholak, drum, and the plea. And fourth one, plate type musical instrument. This instrument produces musical sound by the vibration of thick plate. For example, cymbals, bell used in performing puja, like that. What is noise pollution? The presence of loud, unwanted, unbearable sound in our environment is called noise pollution. And what are the sources of noise pollution? The sources of noise pollution include road traffic, jet plane, train, construction site, factories, uses of loudspeaker, lightning of the cracker during the festival, noise from radio and television. These are the sources of noise pollution. And what are the harmful effect of noise pollution? Sudden exposure to high noise level can cause permanent deafness or by rupturing the eardrum, causes a person to lose the concentration in his work or study. And third point, noise pollution, it causes the damage to the environment, headache, inability to concentrate on work. High noise level can also lead to the nervous tension. And what are the measures of noise pollution? We should not play radio, stereo system, and television too loudly. And the bursting of crackers should be avoided. The horns of the motor vehicle should not be blown unnecessarily. Loud noise factories, airports should be away from the residential area. Trees should be planted along the roads to reduce the noise pollution. And what is meant by hearing impairment? It is means that a person has damaged hearing ability and cannot hear properly. That is known as hearing impairment. This hearing impairment, which is rare, is usually from birth itself. Partial disability is generally the result of a disease, injury, or age. Children with impaired hearing need special care by learning sign language. Such children can communicate effectively because speech develops as the direct result of hearing. A child with a hearing loss may have defective speech also. Technological devices for the hearing impaired have made it possible for such persons to improve their quality of life.